VAL U is our Rockport VAL University program where we partner with leading universities around the globe in order to help their students become marketable once they complete their studies and enter the commercial real estate industry. We partner with the professors to create a curriculum around incorporating VAL into their coursework, and that includes building case studies and creating models using VAL and teaching them about discounted cash flow analysis, as well as generating cash flow and calculating that valuation. The VAL U program is complimentary, meaning the fee is zero. So we're fully invested in helping our future professionals in the commercial real estate industry become successful, leveraging VAL as a solution to calculate those discounted cash flow models. We have key banks that are using VAL and they're looking for the skill set when they're making those hiring decisions. Rockport VAL is becoming the industry standard in the market. Becoming certified and proficient in VAL is just a way to differentiate your skill set amongst others when you're starting to apply and looking for opportunities in the commercial real estate market.